So I promised myself this time that I will restrict my shopping, and then this happened. But before we start the video, can we please take a moment to appreciate my haircut? I mean, this is the shortest I have ever gone, and I don't know. I mean, I'm loving it. I'm not regretting cutting my hair. My hair was like below my hip area, like 4 years back, and then like above my hip area. So from there today I have gone till here, till my chest. Yeah, but I don't regret it. I have purchased a lot of things. I think in the past month, more than 1 lakh rupees I've spent on XYZ stupid things, but a few good things also, huh? So I'm gonna divide this video in a few parts. First, we will be starting with the clothes. Then we will be doing accessories, XYZ items, and then makeup and skincare. I don't know about you guys, but me and my husband have been obsessing over buying like branded t-shirts, you know, which has the logo and which look like decent but not over the top. So I got this t-shirt from Carl. I love this. It's so nice and it's white. It's cropped also, so I will put up a picture of me wearing it. I had gained some weight when I was wearing it, but I'm थोड़ी सी पतली हो गई हूँ, so I will look even better now. Next are two things that I got from Kazo. Now I am really loving this brand. This brand has really improved the style and the pieces. I mean, you can really pull off a very good look with these with this brand. So I got this shrug top of a thing. I will insert a picture of me wearing it. So this is what it looks like, and the best part is that it has got frills below it, because see, this was very different from what I would purchase. अगर पीछे से background noise आ रही है, I'm so sorry. Coming back, this is not what I would generally purchase, but I am trying to go outside my comfort zone and create looks with that. Hence I got this top as well, what I'm wearing today. This I also got from, I don't remember, I'm sorry, I don't remember where I got it from, but this is the first time I'm wearing it. मैंने tag भी कहीं फेंका है, so I don't know where it is. And this is a very cute top. This is a picture of me wearing it. I styled it with a mini skirt today and I'm really loving it. Next up is a shirt again from Kazo. I am not going to open the packet, guys, to be honest. This is the shirt. I really like it. It's like an oversized kind of a thing. It's gold and cream, and I think this will be such a good shirt to pair it with like blue denims to go for a like lunch date or something. That will be nice. Next up is tech. So I got a few things for my filming. First is this Grinaro mic, which I'm using right now. I hope the audio is clear and that you're liking it. So I got this from Amazon. This is really affordable if you're a new creator who's looking for a good mic. I think this will do the thing for you. Next, I got a tripod. The camera is on it right now, so I can't show you, but this is a video of the tripod. It's like an extendable thing which I got. And the next thing is my iPad. I'm so excited because I wanted an iPad from such a long time, and it's not कि मुझे बस craze है iPad खरीदने का. No, I have been actually using the iPad a lot. मतलब a lot for my editing, for making thumbnails, for many things. अब तो it's a part of me. जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ वो मेरे साथ ही जाता है. And here it is. I'm making, like I'm filming right now. I mean, so cool, right? So I'm filming on it right now. See कितना काम आ रहा है ये. And I just love it. This is the 10th generation, I think 11 inches, and I'm really grateful that I got it because I really needed it. Coming to accessories, I did not buy a lot of accessories, but I should. I'm wearing these earrings today. These are from Kate Spade. This I got, and then I got one more earrings from Coach. These are hoops, and I love hoops. And when I saw this, I was like, "ये hoops भी है और Coach भी है," which is like one of my favorite brands. ये तो लेना ही है. So these are what the earrings look like. One very random but very cute thing which I got was this mini cute bag. I feel that I will keep my headphones in this because my headphones always like go at the bottom of my bag, my big bag when I'm traveling. So मेरे headphones and maybe a small lipstick or something ये आ सकता है मेरे bag में, and it is got a keychain also. इसको पर्स पे भी लगा सकते हो. So I found it really cute and I got it. Last up in accessories, I got a bag for myself from MK. My previous one was really in a bad condition. So this is the one that I got. एक मिनट paper निकाल के दिखाती हूँ. This is the one that I got. As you can see, I love this color. I already have this color bag, MK का ही, but this like matches with everything. This color, I take it so often. I'm sure if you're following me on Instagram, you have seen me use this a lot. So I ordered the same color but in a different style. So I'm really liking this bag and I just love it. Okay, coming to the big basket now. I'm going to start with whatever random thing that I find on top. So this is the first thing that I got. This is a Nivea Derma Skin Clear Wash Gel. This is a face wash for acne skin type, and I got this as a recommendation from Ridul Sharma. I follow her videos and I think that this one turned out pretty decent. So if you've got, this has got salicylic acid, so if you've got acne prone skin, you can try it out. For me, it's like not very drying and not very moisturizing. It's just in between. It's just perfect. Coming to the next thing is Plum. Oh my god, I was really influenced into buying these things. I have bought it from my own money. I'm not sponsored. I'm open for sponsorships, guys, if you're listening. So I got these fragrances. I got all three. I mean, I don't know or hai ki nahi, but I got three. I know, crazy, right? So this is the vanilla one. Oh my god, this smells so good. This has a very earthy, not very musky, not very sweet, perfect in between balance kind of a fragrance. This is so me. This one is Moon Kiss Drama. It's a little bit more muskier than the previous one and a little bit more sweeter also, but honestly I really like it. The packaging is really cool and at the same time you get like a lot of product as well. This is Hawaiian Rumba, and as the name suggests, Hawaiian Rumba hoga, fruity hoga, sweet hoga. This is all that. I haven't started using it, but मैं अभी smell करके आपको बता रही हूँ. So this is like that, and I feel that it's the perfect thing for a vacation. If you were going for a vacation, I think this is the perfect fragrance to carry. I also got their deodorant, which actually I'm using and I'm really liking. I do not apply it directly on the skin because I don't know if this will darken my underarms or not. I use my previous Nivea one. When it is dry, I top it off with this because this has such a good vanilla flavor. I mean vanilla scent. I really like it. It's so good. Good vanilla fragrance. If you like, then this is the one to go. I got this lipstick from NYX as a recommendation from a makeup artist and it is really bad. I mean, this is the NYX Lip Lingerie XXL. Mind you that a few years back, they had their original lip lingerie, which I was a big, huge fan of. I am not able to remember the name, but that was amazing. That was like a clear, bottle, but this one is really bad. I put this on my sister for her roka because पहली बार लिया था उसके लिए लिया था and it was peeling off everywhere that we had to literally change her lipstick in the middle of the event. So I would not recommend you to buy this. पता नहीं ये एक impressions video थी कि haul video है कि ये review video बन गई है, but do not waste your money on this lipstick. This is not good. This product, oh my god. If you want plump lips, if you want gloss on your skin, and if you want to burn yourself, this is the product to go. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss wala series. Hold on. That was amazing. That is a beautiful gloss. मैंने फिर से उसका एक purchase किया है gloss. And this is the mirchi variant. This is the spicy variant. And as the name suggests, this is so spicy. Even if by chance you just like, if you're doing like this and your lips touch your tongue, oh my god, you will get that burn on your tongue as well. You cannot kiss your partner because your partner's face will start burning. It is so strong. So I mean, I do like to apply it. इसमें लिखा हुआ है वैसे, to be honest, Maxi Lip Chili Peppermint Chili, ये लिखा है भाई इस पे. Like honestly, I have a pretty good pain tolerance, so I don't mind this. But if you're very sensitive, बहुत ही आपको problem होती है चीज़ों में, do not buy this. So apart from the face washes, I also got this sunscreen from Dot & Key. I have been seeing this sunscreen all over the internet, and also my sister used it and she was very happy with it. This is the Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++ with hyaluronic acid, and this is such a good and lightweight sunscreen for your oily skin. But at the same time, I would not recommend you to go for just this on your face. You do need a moisturizer below it, because this is not very moisturizing. इसका काम ही नहीं है moisture देने का, इसका काम है सिर्फ आपको protect करने का. And the best part is that it is really cooling, guys. Okay, so the day that I applied it without the moisturizer, I could actually feel my skin feeling cooler. Maybe moisturizer के साथ the effect gets a little dim, but अगर इसको अपने आप लगाया जाए, you really feel that cooling sensation, and it's a good cooling sensation. It doesn't disturb your skin, so I really like this product. पता नहीं ये वीडियो haul वीडियो थी, ये तो review वीडियो बनती जा रही है, but okay, now we'll stick to the haul only. I promise. I got a lot of things from Mars because I don't know, they had some offers going on, and I really like Mars यार. बहुत उन्होंने अपना brand इतना amazing बना लिया है. So starting off with the first thing that I got this lip color changing lip oil. I have used it. थोड़ा सा रिव्यू दे दूँ, छोटा सा रिव्यू दे देती हूँ, बाकी मैं आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे बताऊंगी, और फॉलो माई पेज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम बिकॉज आई विल मेक अ डेडिकेटेड रील फॉर दिस, पक्का, प्रॉमिस, श्योर. बट आई रियली लाइक इट. फुल डिटेल विल बी ऑन द इंस्टाग्राम रील, अभी नहीं पकाऊंगी. Okay, so this is what the product looks like, and it has this amazing applicator as well. I mean, you must have seen this applicator on a lot of lip oils. You can also get a different variant, like वो ये है, this is the Nectar Kiss. They also have the berry and the strawberry. I like the berry one. I purchased it, but I forgot it at someone's house, so next I got their brushes. Now Mars brushes are amazing. If you are a new person at makeup and if you're looking for an affordable brush set, Mars is the one to go. And even if you want loose brushes, Mars ki quality is amazing. I mean, you can see the brush, man. This is so beautiful, so luxurious. And I got this thin one because I really wanted like a thin application of foundation, especially for my clients. So I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure this will be good. Now this product, I'm not sure. This is the Mars Setter and Blotter Gel Compact. बहुत देखा था इंटरनेट पे, तभी मैंने खरीदा है. But I am not able to use it right now. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा इसको use कैसे करूँ. So देखते हैं. I'll give you a review in another video. But for now, I got this compact. It also comes with a puff. Next up, I got Mars Lip Crayon. I already had this one. Someone gave it to me as a gift. So I loved it so much that I ordered another shade. This is in the shade Raspberry Pink. And it is so beautiful. ये बहुत long lasting है. Again, मैं review video नहीं दूंगी. This is the one that I got. इसका shade आपको दिखा देती हूँ. I mean, you can see it's quite used. ये इसका shade है and it's a beautiful color. Look at this, guys. I got this holographic eyeliner from Mars. You can see how beautiful it looks. I already have Mars के किसी और brand के. I have this liners, so I'm excited to try this one. But yeah, this is in the shade, I don't know, Galactic Twilight. Last but not the least from Mars, this is something I have actually made a video on and I have put it on YouTube, so you can go to my YouTube shorts. This is a 3-in-1 Mars Trio. Oh my god, Mars इतना दिमाग लगा के product बनाया है, and this thing you can just throw it in your bag for your travel and you're done. You're done. You do not need anything else. This trio has got, and first of all, it's magnetic, like so cool, right? So this has got an eyeliner, a mascara and a liquid eyeshadow. This is what the eyeliner looks like. Very basic eyeliner, but at the same time it applies very well and it's like very good for travel. Like इससे ज़्यादा आपको क्या चाहिए यार? Next up, mascara. Again, you open it up. थोड़ा सा packaging use करने में हल्की सी मुश्किल आती है, but I mean good enough. Then we have this mascara, pretty decent mascara, decent brush, very good for the size. Last but not the least, we have the eyeshadow, guys. I mean, eyeshadow, आपको पैलेट भी ले जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. It's a shimmer eyeshadow and it is, can you see that? Oh my god, beautiful. Last but not the least, I got these from Swiss Beauty. And this is a double-ended mascara. It's black from one side and it's blue from the other side. I was really craving a blue mascara, so I was like चलो ये try करते हैं. And the most exciting product, this is a duo eyeliner. So अगर आपको लगता है that you are very poor and pathetic at eyeliners, so you can take this one. This has got a stamp on the other side, dude. Like एक side पे normal liner है जो कि decent है, इतना amazing नहीं है, and on the other side there is a stamp. Can you see? Can you see that stamp? Yes, now you can see that stamp. And it actually works. मैंने try किया, but it actually works. I will make a dedicated video for this as well. So make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. That was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my entire haul video. एक और haul video आने वाली है क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि मैंने यहाँ पे रुकी होंगी. Do you think I would have stopped after this much shopping? No. I'm going to make another haul video right now and I will upload it after this video. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell because I will see you in the next videos. Bye.